So I'll be showing you how to screen record with audio on your iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. So when you swipe down on the control center to look for the recorder icon, which is this one right here, if you tap on it, it's going to start recording, but it might not record with audio from your microphone. Okay, so let's stop that. So if you want to make sure you record with audio, just swipe down, and before you press, just long press on it to give you this menu, and then you should see microphone off, which is normally off by default. So make sure that is turned on. It says microphone on, that icon is now red, and then now you can tap on empty space and then start your recording, and that's going to record the screen recording together with audio from your microphone. So it's basically, right now it's recording everything I'm saying. Okay, so that's basically how to screen recording together with audio from your microphone. So it's basically, right now it's recording. That's basically how to screen record your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro with audio. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.